Hi, friends. If you want to be good at English, you need to listen, practice, and repeat. One of the best ways to learn is through stories. So in this video, I will tell you a simple story in English. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences if you want, and try to understand the meaning. The more you practice, the better your English will become. Now, let's begin the story.
It was a bright morning, and I was walking to school as usual. The air was fresh, the sun was shining, and I could hear the birds singing in the trees. I felt good, and I was in a hurry because I didn't want to be late for class. As I was walking down the street, suddenly, I noticed something lying on the ground. It was a small wallet. At first, I almost ignored it, but then I stopped. I looked around, but there was nobody nearby, so I picked it up. When I opened the wallet, I saw some money inside, and also an ID card. I thought, oh no, someone must have dropped this wallet. Maybe they are really worried right now.
For a moment, I didn't know what to do. I could have just left it there, or even taken the money. But deep inside, I knew that was wrong. My parents always told me, be honest, even when no one is watching you. So I decided to do the right thing. I walked to the nearest police station. On the way, I kept thinking, what if the owner is an old person? What if they really need this money? What if this wallet is very important to them? These thoughts made me walk even faster.
Finally, I arrived at the police station. I showed the wallet to the officer and explained that I had found it on the street. The officer looked at me and smiled. He said, "Thank you, young man. You are very honest. Many people would just keep the wallet, but you decided to return it. That is a good example." His words made me feel proud and happy. Later that day, something even more amazing happened. While I was at school, a woman came to my classroom. She looked very relieved and grateful. She was the owner of the wallet. She came to me and said, "Thank you so much for returning my wallet. You saved me from a lot of trouble." She even told the teacher and my friends about what I had done.
At that moment, I felt really happy inside. It wasn't because I wanted praise or attention. It was simply because I knew I had done the right thing. From this experience, I learned something important. Honesty is powerful. Even a small action, like returning a wallet, can make a big difference in someone's life. So my message to you is this: always choose honesty. Even if it seems small, even if no one else sees it, do the right thing. Because at the end of the day, you will feel good about yourself, and that feeling is priceless.
Thank you for watching and listening to this story. Remember, if you want to improve your English, keep watching videos like this, listen carefully, and practice speaking. See you in the next story.